What's your name?
Well, my name is Rafian Gayan.
What class are you in?
I read in class 3.
Which school?
My school name is Little Angels School.
What are you going to say now?
I sang all of the auxiliary verbs.
What types of auxiliary verbs?
There are 4 types of auxiliary verbs: be verb, do verb, have verb, and modal verb.
Can you say all of the auxiliary verbs within short time?
Yes, I can.
Start please.
Amazon was a bibimbing, do does jin. Have is and having, shall she should have, will you could have, can you could have, may might have, ought to, must have, used to, need to, dare to, am to, have to, am bound to, am supposed to, am able to, will be able to, can had better, would better, cannot but, could not but.
Okay, please give a big hand for him. Thank you very much.